So if you look at Miss Castro, boys and girls, you're going to predict the color of the day, okay? I am wearing the color of the day. If you are able to see it in your computer screen, who wants to predict the color of the day that Miss Castro is wearing? Let's see. Riley, I see your hand up, sweetie. What's today's color of the day?
Purple.
Excellent job. Yes, today's color of the day is purple. Wonderful. Okay, so let me share with you my screen. That was great, Riley.
I want to talk.
Okay. All right, so Ms. Kasha is going to show you the presentation for today's color and shape of the day. I actually have a video here, but because we're really low on time, you can definitely watch it on your own. Today we're analyzing the next, which is purple, and then we're going to talk about the next shape. Here on slide 3, I will put up today's video, our lesson, and we're going to go over the colors and shapes right now, okay? So keep yourself on mute, and I will say the colors out loud for you, and then you will repeat them at home to yourself, okay? All right.
Listen to her.
Black, pink, blue, purple, brown, red, green, white, orange, yellow. Okay, so make sure, boys and girls, you're practicing those colors at home. Now we're going to move on to the shapes. Circle, rectangle, rhombus, hexagon, square, trapezoid, triangle.
Triangle.
All right, so now we are going to show you some other objects with today's color. And there's some videos of the color and shape of the day that you can access later on your own time. So here we have a purple crayon, purple flower, purple lollipop. Here we have a jar of purple grape jam. So that's jam, grape jam. Then down here we have purple grapes. And next to the purple grapes, we have a purple dress. Okay. And on the next slide, we have a purple butterfly. And the sentence says, the butterfly is purple. Okay. So now, boys and girls, I'm going to show you the shape of the day. It might be a little tricky, but we're going to learn about it. If you look at the center, if you look at the yellow shape, who can predict what is today's shape? Who wants to try to share with us what is today's shape? Andrew, I know you've been wanting to speak, sweetie. You can unmute yourself. Can you share with us what is today's shape of the day?
Trapezoid.
No.
That was a good try, and I'm very proud of you for trying. That was pretty good. We're going to learn trapezoid a different day, though. That was good, Andrew. But it's not trapezoid. It's a different type of shape. Let's see. Jaden, we haven't heard from you. Do you want to give it a try? Do you want to try to predict what today's shape is? No? Okay, that's fine, Jaden. Don't worry. It's okay. At least you tried. All right, I see Noah's hand is up. Noah, do you want to predict what is today's shape of the day?
What shape is that?
There you go.
Say it again a little louder.
Say it louder.
There you go.
Good. I think I heard you say hexagon. Very
Yes.
good. So remember, when you say hexagon, you have to say it with a really loud voice so that way everyone can hear you, okay, Noah? But that was perfect. That shape, boys and girls, in the middle, the yellow shape, is called a hexagon, okay? And when you say hexagon, you can actually put your hand over your mouth and you can feel the sound of the letter H when you say hexagon. Everyone try it. Hexagon. You should feel the breath of your mouth on your hand when you say hexagon. Very good job. Now, there are some objects here that are in the shape of a hexagon. Who would like to share with us one of the objects that you see here in the shape of a hexagon? Rosaline, go ahead and unmute yourself.
No. What is this?
Ring.
Show her.
Hexagon.
Yeah, but what is this?
Ring.
Ring. Excellent job. So down at the bottom on the left corner, Rosaline is pointing out the ring that is in the shape of a hexagon. You are correct, Rosaline. Very good. What else can you identify that is in the shape of a hexagon here on this slide? Let's see if we can hear from Skyla. Go ahead, Skyla.
So this is the X.
Tracks.
And put sand.
I see a spider web.
Excellent job. You are correct. Spider web is in the shape of a hexagon. Very nice. Alina, I see you raising your hand. Do you see something else with the shape of a hexagon?
Say it. You just said it. Say it out loud.
I see a purple pencil.
Excellent job. And look at that. It's even today's color of the day. Good job, Alina. It is a purple pencil. So the purple pencil, the tip of it is in the shape of a hexagon. Good job. There are three other objects that you may or may not know, boys and girls, and it's okay if you don't know it. Elijah, I see your hand is up. Do you know one of those other three objects?
The bees put their honey. It's a shape of hexagon.
Excellent job, Elijah. The honeybee, right here at the bottom right-hand side, that is their honeycomb. The honeycombs are in the shape of a hexagon. Very good job, Elijah. Wonderful. And then there's two more objects that are in the shape of a hexagon. Let's see who would like to share. Eliana. Go ahead, Eliana.
Finally. The screw.
The screw, excellent. So the screw is also in the shape of a hexagon. Good job. So we have a long screw, actually. And then on the other side in the top right-hand corner, we have another type of screw. It's like a little bolt where you screw it in. And then you have the other long screw. Good job, boys and girls. The hexagon could be a little bit tricky, but if you look closely, I'm sure you will be able to find more hexagons. So I have here some other songs of today's color and shape of the day that you could check out on your own time. And I'm going to show you today's work. For today, you have the color purple. So at the top, you will write your first and last name. Here where you see the crayon, they want you to color the word purple. So purple is spelled P-U-R-P-L-E. So you're going to color the word purple 2 times. Then below, you're going to trace the word purple with a pencil 1, 2, 3 times. And then they would like for you to try to write the word purple all on your own 1, 2, 3 times. Then here in the box where you see all these words, you will circle the word purple. So there's many words here, but you only focus on the word purple. And where you find the word purple, that's what you circle. Then they want you to color these objects that are purple. And then down below, you're going to read the sentence, but you decide what is purple. So you're going to pick one of these objects from the top, either a cupcake, a flower, a lollipop, a dress, or a school bag. Pick one of those objects. You're going to draw it here in the box, and then you're going to read the sentence out loud. And it says, I see a purple, and then whatever it is that you draw. Okay, and then today's worksheet is the hexagon. So just to explain this worksheet, you can color the hexagon here at the top. Where it says stamp, I'm pretty sure you might not have any hexagon sets because I know Ms. Pasha doesn't even have them either. So what you can do, boys and girls, is you can make a hexagon. And even though it's a little tricky, you could definitely just try your best, okay? And I know moms and dads can help too with the yellow highlighter. You can outline it with the yellow highlighter and they can trace it, okay? And then here, the word hexagon, you color it in. You color in these 3 hexagons right underneath it. And then you can trace that hexagon with the dotted lines, and then you can color that in too. And then down below at the very bottom, they have all different types of shapes. So you have to decide which ones are hexagons, and the ones that are hexagons are the ones that you are going to color. So for the hexagon, I want to point out how many sides it has because we've done circle, triangle, square, rectangle. But with the hexagon, hexagon has a lot more sides, and I'm going to count it for you. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. That's a lot of sides for a hexagon. So when you're looking for the hexagon to color, make sure you count the sides, that it has 6. And that way you will know it is a hexagon. Okay, boys and girls? And then the presentation, I'll post it up later today. You'll be able to access it from any device. And then continue to think of what are some other objects of today's color and today's shape, and then you'll continue to practice that today. Okay, boys and girls, you did a very great job. I'm very proud of all of you. It's a wonderful job today.